All right, so my boss thinks he could pick my Abus insurance lock, made in Germany.
Oh, wait a minute. This one fit.
He's got his lock pick. I bought this lock specifically for it not to be picked. He could pick his master lock, but not no Abus. Where's my key? Where did I put my key? Oh, okay. He still had it. So this is the key. It's like a multi-lock. Have you ever picked one of these locks before?
No, first time. It's always a challenge is good.
If you could pick this is going on YouTube. Huh? I bought this lock specifically so it's unpickable. In order for you to open this, you gotta literally cut it, grind it, something. It's unpickable. I have a lock kit myself. Okay, he's determined.
Yeah, it's always good to.
Watch, you're gonna buy Abus after this. Abus. Abus.
Hello, Julio.
Dímelo.
¿Qué tú estás haciendo?
You think you can pick this lock?
King Master.
You think you can pick this lock?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Abrilo.
We're recording in 4K, 60 frames per second. It's your boy Insane GNYC. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell's notification
¿Qué es
button.
una laca? ¿Que no siente los pin? He no find at the pin.
Look at the key. This is the key. Hey, no cheating.
That's looking like multi-lock.
Yeah, it's a multi-lock. He can't pick that.
Multi-lock, that's not easy to open.
I know it's not. I say, yo, if you could pick out, I'll give you $20.
That's all?
That's all I have on me, bro.
Multilock no es easy abrir.
Multi-locks, you gotta drill that shit out.
It's like you have 2 pins, specific.
More easy, yo ocupe maybe médico. Médico that's more easy to open, but multilock that's
This
not.
is made in Germany.
Oh, Sergeant.
Die Heigeren Scheiße.
Multilock that's a huge, but he make in Germany before.
No, but this lock Abus is made in Germany. It's designed not to be designed to be unpickable, and it's made out of granite. So you gotta like.
But you know, anything construction in Israel, that's a good thing.
Yeah, this is insurance lock approved. It even says it on there, insurance lock.
Yeah.
So like insurance companies approve of it.
That's not easy to open.
It's not. I told Julio to begin with. I was like, yo, bro, there's no way you could pick it. You need some sort of Dremel or a Sawzall.
Drumble there.
Well, that's a different story. Yeah, but that takes time and it's not easy.
I don't fight. I don't give him a pen. You're doing it wrong. Oh, sucks.
Getting a phone call. Oh. Abus makes good locks. This guy's the master. Look at his tool. Look at his pick kit. Have you ever come across a lock like this before?
No, first time I see it.
You know how much that lock cost?
How much?
Over $100. Well, when I bought it, it was $100. It might have went down in price. Maybe it went up in price.
Maybe.
Abus granite, made in Germany.
Yep. That's not like your authority. Next time.
You give up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe next time.
Guys, you see it? Abus is a must buy. At the end of the day, security is to secure your products. You know, don't get me wrong. If a criminal, thief, this, that, and the third wants to break in, they will break the lock. But it will take them time.
Yeah, that's why you seek the alibi on them.
You know what I'm saying? Instead of being able to pick a lock something like that in like 10 seconds, you know, we're 9 minutes into the video.
This is where you get caught.
Well, yeah, you know, you'll get caught, or, you know, they might have to use something like this, you know, like, oh wait, it's not even turning on. You can't even use a bolt cutter on that. You need some sort of like Sawzall or something like the Jaws of Life that the FDNY uses, the fire department in New York City. Trust me and believe me, when I bought this, I tried picking it myself, and I'm like, yo, if I can't pick it, no one can. I mean, I'm sure someone might get lucky, but it'll definitely take them 15, 20, 30 minutes, maybe an hour. But who's going to sit there and, you know?
No, it's no point of picking it for 20 minutes because that's why you get caught.
That's how you get caught. You're better off getting like a saw, but even then, that takes a lot.
In order for you to pick a lock is to come out, and nobody knows that I came in.
Exactly.
The point of me breaking the lock, it makes a lot of noise. Let's say if it's 4 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm using a grinder, people are gonna find out.
Yeah.
And that's how you get caught.
That's when I come out with my glizzy. Start
Top lock
bucking
will be
shots. Gratata.
Tops 2 minutes tops.
Yeah, this is. Would you buy this lock?
Yeah, this is great. How to get a handle on.
I am Amazon affiliate, so if there is one on Amazon, the link will be in the description below. Not this one in particular, but various kinds. I have the granite. I also got the titanium. I got various ones, but all Abus locks comes with multi keys and a key card. So if you ever need to make a copy, you gotta make a copy using the card. Well, hey man, it is what it is. Give up?
Yeah, not even one.
Okay. All right. Anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Abus, if you're watching, send me some locks. You know what I mean? I'm promoting you. And for those that want to buy a lock like this, use the link in the description below. There'll be various kinds of Abus locks. All of them are pretty much the same as this. Different color, different size, etc., etc. But if you use my link, I will make commission. It's not going to cost you anything. But yeah, man, I appreciate the cause, support the cause. Yeah. We're going to close out. And any last words?
Good.
All right. We're out.